since we're done creating our handle press, the next thing that we need to do, we need to just go ahead and create an order item. Okay, we're going to create an order item. So right at the top, we're going to create a new variable, and we're going to call it send to order page. Okay, so that we won't get confused. Just go ahead and close it. So here, our send to order page object is going to be similar to our cut item somehow, but with more properties. Okay, so first we need the order item. So order item is going to be an object. So this object is going to consist some of the parameters that we have here. Okay, most, but we're going to add a few more parameters. So this one, instead of product ID, what we're going to do, we're going to make it a food ID. For quantity, we're going to take spelling of quantity is wrong. We need to rectify this as well. It has to be count for additives. It has to be additives, and we need instructions. So our instructions are going to be the text field that we created. So we're going to map it to preference. Okay, so it's supposed to be instructions here, and we're going to map it to preference. We need a price as well, but down here it's not going to be total price. The variable name is going to be price. So we can paste this, and we can just change this to price, and we can add a comma here. And right outside, we're going to require the title. So the title is going to come from the item, supposed to be item dot title. And we also need the description. It's going to be item dot description, and we need image URL. It's supposed to be item image URL, and we're going to take the first item of that list, and we need restaurant ID. So for restaurant ID, we have to get it from our object. So right on top, we're going to create a variable, and we're going to call it ID, which is going to be item.restaurant. Okay, item.restaurant. So our error is coming from here. So this one is supposed to be ID. If we save, we don't have an error. So this is our object. So we need to send this object to this page. Okay, so let's go down where we are navigating to this page. We need to also send order item, send to order page. Okay, so if we go to our order page, we're going to receive the item via our params. So what we can do here, we're going to use route. Okay, route is equals to use route. We need to use the use route hook, and from our route we need to extract the object. Okay, so we're going to call this object order is equals to route dot params. Let's just go ahead and log the data. Okay, so we're going to log the order here. So if we click, we're supposed to have our order here. So that's it. Now we successfully sent the data that we want to use here. So we'll revisit our order page, design our order page. But for this page, I think most of the work is done. We need to go ahead and focus on this restaurant page first, because it's a little bit complicated and it has more.